Do you know the SEC football stadiums? Hints will appear something like this. You will have 8 seconds per question. Can you get all 16 stadiums right? Question 1. Texas A&M. Question 2. Auburn. Question 3. Kentucky. Question 4. Oklahoma. While you're here, why don't you like the video, comment your score, and subscribe for more awesome sports content. Now let's get back to it. Question 5. Ole Miss. Question 6. LSU. Question 7. Missouri. Question 8. Tennessee. Question 9. Vanderbilt. Question 10. South Carolina. Question 11. Arkansas. Question 12. Florida. Question 13. Mississippi State. Question 14. Texas. Question 15. Alabama. Question 16. Georgia. If you made it all the way through, we'd love to know your score down below, and be sure to share any other ideas for future videos in the comments. I'm totally not biased, but it might be worth checking out that video or that video. And be sure to subscribe for more awesome sports content.